Good afternoon, everybody. Time for another Toolbox lunch. Whoop. That's why you gotta have two hands to do this. Today I'm having red beans. That ain't my homemade, but we got some Blue Runner. And I used my military style can opener to open it. That was fun. As you can see, I got about halfway and gave up. I had to also get some more hot sauce. My Tabasco was kind of going bad, so it is what it is. Had to stir it up. Slow burn doesn't take long on some things to heat up. I still gotta get the fuel for that other stove that I bought. I went to Wacky World to go see if they had any, but it was all sold out due to the hurricane and everything. So, but oh well. Since I can't have my homemade red beans since I haven't cooked it in a while, just as good. Well, not really just as good, but you know, mine's always got Buron sausage, sometimes some ground meat, sometimes cocktail sausages. You know I gotta have my Rotel tomatoes. My Zydeco seasoning dust and all that good stuff in my red beans. Ooh, yeah. Might have to cook that this weekend, even though it's still too hot for it. But like any good prepper, beans, but no rice. I ain't got the time to cook rice with this. Time to stir. Yeah, I've been noticing with canned beans and stuff like that, or even if you go to a little restaurant, they give you more liquid than they give you beans. They give you a whole bunch of rice, the gravy, and a few beans. This one, I got quite a few beans in there. Still enough for me to eat. Well, my fire is almost out, so I know it's good and hot because I've seen it percolating, and I've been sampling it with after I stir it up with the spoon, and it's hot throughout. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Red beans.